Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Are you sick of throwing your old, used face masks away and you're thinking to yourself, there's gotta be a better use for these? And my friend, these things are absolutely genius, not just for protecting yourself and others from viruses and all the other things floating around. Let me show you. I know this looks weird. We're gonna talk about this in a minute. You're probably not gonna wanna do this while you have company over, although this would be a really great conversation starter. But if you're going about your house cleaning and you wanna freshen it up and make it smell natural and amazing and not like chemical cleaners and all those scented sprays that make you want to vomit and make you more sick, but you want your house smelling fresh, this is what you're going to want to do in order to reuse those face masks. You could do this with clean face masks, but the point here is to reuse something rather than just tossing them in the garbage can. All right, there is a little trick here. There's something that you are absolutely going to want to do. At least I prefer to do this before I show you my step right here. Obsessed with this lemon essential oils. You can do this with baby powder. You can do this with pure vanilla extract, almond extract, just anything that smells refreshing to you. And you're gonna saturate your face mask. And you can put as many on your fan as you absolutely want. You can do this right here. You can just use one. They're so lightweight. And the beauty of it, it actually stays on your fan. I'll show you here in just a second. Now here's the absolute must. This is what I like to do when I first am done using my face mask, is I spray them down with some rubbing alcohol, just like that, both sides, just to sanitize the mask. It just makes me feel a little bit better. And then I go ahead and put in my essential oils, and you will be amazed at how wonderful this makes your room smell. Now, let me just show you right here. You can certainly secure those with a clothespin, but in my situation, I didn't need to do that. They just stuck right there. Not only was I cooled off while I was deep cleaning my house, it smelled amazing. If you're looking for a cool and clever way of how to use these in your shower, click this video on screen now, give the video a thumbs up, sign up for the free weekly cleaning hack newsletter so that you are the first to know. By the way, I just used a little step stool to get up there. If it's under the bed, step on your bed, do it at your own risk. All right, love you, see you later.